Welcome to Detchai Rubber, the manufacturer of SPORTMAN paddy-dehusking rubber rollers. Thailand is the land of rice, especially jasmine rice. Here is our warehouse. Our factory is located just 3 hours from Bangkok by car, which is the highest area of rice milling. Our production line uses the best machines in the rubber rice roller industry. We have 2 internal Banbury mixers, which are the top mixing technology of rubber rice roller. Every mixing compound control by programming gives reliable, consistent paddy-dehusking rubber rollers. Through decades, we have developed the compound and the production line design of a paddy-dehusking roller to meet the durability, performance, and economy criteria. Our semi-auto production lines give SPORTMAN paddy-dehusking rubber rollers a long life service in every unit. We have a capacity up to 1,000 rubber rollers per day. It is because of SPORTMAN paddy-dehusking roller durability, performance, and economy that keeps our customers repeating their orders and becoming our long-term business partners. Our paddy-dehusking rubber roller has been approved by Thailand Industrial Standard since 1989. Thai Industrial Standard number 633-1988 is compatible with Japanese rice roller standard and American paddy-dehusking rubber roller standard. We are specialists in manufacturing paddy-dehusking rubber rollers for more than 35 years. Experience, durability, and reliability are the keys because quality is our reputation. We work with the modern milling machine factory companies to keep pace with technology and also our chemical suppliers across the world. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to serving you with our #1 long service life paddy-dehusking roller.